Alright, this is the Ryobi 1600 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. It comes in the back box with this connector cable to the pressure gun itself, with a nozzle turret right here. It comes with two different nozzles plus a third one for high pressure. This one is for low pressure, high pressure, which is currently on the gun, and also a turbo one for more abrasive work. This is the connecting unit right here to the hose. It comes with an easy connecting screw to connect to the hose. Once you are connected on both ends, you just click on and you are in business. Some things I like about this pressure washer: one, it's electric, which means there's no need for gas or oil or anything like that. Also, very easy connections. We can connect everything together, including the nozzle on the end, in less than 2 minutes. Also, if you have kids in the house, it is also very practical to have this safety valve right here, preventing you from closing it. So what you can do is just simply click like that and turn it on. To turn the machine on, you click on and begin power washing. I also like to use it seasonally for the deck. I personally find that with or without soap, this has just the right amount of pressure to do pretty much any of my household pressure washing needs.